Alright everybody, welcome back to another video here. We're going to be replacing the cadillac converter on a 2000 Honda Civic. First you have to unplug this sensor here. Then to remove the sensor from the manifold you need a special tool. It has a little slice in it so you can fit it around the cable there. Once you remove that, remove these bolts on top to the manifold. Then move on to these three lower bolts down here on the exhaust pipe. Don't remove the gasket, just leave it as is. Unplug this sensor down here. Clips on right there. And this other sensor here will click on right below, right there. Next, the new cadillac converter did not come with studs, so I had to remove the studs from the old cadillac converter. What I did was put two nuts on one stud so it would lock it on, and I was able to remove them that way. These are very tight, so use a lot of WD-40 and elbow grease. You have to install them on the new cadillac converter right here. As you can see, they're missing the studs. Those lags there need to be installed here, and I will do that in the next step. Again, using the two nuts that I removed, I used two of the three. You just put two and one on top of each other, and then you just go ahead and thread it into the new cadillac converter. This again was kind of tough, but I got it to work. Next, you just install the cadillac converter. Install those three bolts on the bottom, very easy. Install the upper manifold bolts, install your sensors back in. Super easy job, got this done, passed smog, no problem. Got the cadillac converter off eBay, it was super cheap. That's probably why it didn't come with those studs or the lag bolts. So make sure you know what you're buying before you buy it, but that's about it. Good luck.